A video for ICT-355-555 Systems Analysis and Design. The Group Business Case Project Interval 4 Assessment. This assessment document, which is linked under the group project page for each project interval, is what your group and your instructor will utilize to assess the completion of the project interval. These assessment documents outline all deliverables you are being asked to create, start, and complete for each project interval. All of the deliverables you are being asked to complete are described in detail in the video, The Business Case. Use this as a guide when you are working on your project. Interval 4 is for system design. This is the third critical step in the software development lifecycle. This phase is where the project goal is to design a system that is effective, which means it meets the business requirements and also the business needs. It's reliable, which means it can handle input errors, processing errors, hardware failures, human mistakes, and it's available nearly all of the time. And it's maintainable, which means it's flexible, scalable, and easily modified. This phase really includes documenting the requirements, which includes the data requirements, so essentially the data that's needed and how it should be treated, the functional requirements, which is how the system should function, the user requirements, how a user will interact with screens, functions, etc. in the system, any output requirements, and any auditing requirements, who should or should not be able to do things within the system. This phase essentially provides everything an IT developer would need to build the system. Within Project Interval 4, you are being asked to complete a part of the system's design. If you recall from the videos for the project overview, as well as the business case, we're breaking this project out into sprints. For this interval, you will be focusing on the system design section for Sprint 1, and that includes all of those requirements, such as data, user requirements, system requirements, functional requirements, auditing requirements, and also the user interface requirements. You should also in this sprint start making progress on actually developing within your CRM for those Sprint 1 items to help you prepare for the next interval. You're not being asked to complete the development within the CRM system itself with this interval, but it is recommended that you do start on it. There are several resources available for your group to use when working on your group project intervals. You have the video for project overview. You have the textbook readings for chapters 8 through 10. You have the example of the completed business case, the video of the business case, which details all of the information you are being asked to complete with this project interval. And as always, you can contact your instructor if you have questions. What you can expect after the interval is you will receive feedback on your interval submissions from your instructor. You will receive a pass or fail grade. If you receive a fail grade and you've made an effort for the interval, you will have the opportunity to revise, which is continuous improvement, and resubmit to your instructor. Please note, it is your group's responsibility to communicate to your instructor if you are going to submit revisions for reassessment. If you receive a pass grade, your group should be utilizing the feedback received to continually improve your business case in preparation for the final project submission in Project Interval 7.